Okay, quick run through. This running locally, but here it is, local, just in VS Code. What I want to show you, I'll hide my save. Okay, so picture the scenario. This is the Lamborghini owner's dashboard. Shows it's got an error, but we'll start somewhere else. To the demo, I white coded a 3D game on top of it. So to simulate his tire going pop, we're going to look 3D game. So I'll just show you that. We shall initialize this.
Welcome to the grid, your ultimate racing fantasy. I'm leading this race, but let's see if you can keep up. Brace yourself because this neon fever is about to take over. Show me what you've got.
I'd say Kaggle. Again, this hasn't been notarized. There should be like pots of talent. We've had a tire blowout. What are we gonna do? It's okay, our concierge should look after it. So, consult the concierge. Acknowledge Craig, I've received the telemetry dump from your virtual test. The left rear tire is gone. So let's go to, it's suggesting I go to the booking tab. So let's go to the booking tab. Service booking, so it knows my tires, which are the Michelin Cup 2. We're not going to go any upsells today. Let's start the negotiation. Oh, yay. So it's over here. Our master tire dealer is getting the input. They're verifying the stock for the plywood stock cup. Quantity 1, max price. Okay, and then it gives them the response. And it looks like it's all good. It's all good. So what we're over here, we got the agent output here. I think it did a bit of negotiation. Yeah. Check the prices, see when the fitter was able to come out. It seems to be happy. I would have a more less verbose out here. But anyway, we continue to the checkout. Yeah. Oh, it's not cheap. Those tires is it. But we get to secure payment. This would be, your thumbprint on your phone. Let's see if it organizes the cryptographic failed. Anyway. Oh, we've got some errors. But I think this is because it's low, but we're not loving it. We're not loving it. It was working, but such is life. I haven't really got the time to fix this. I could edit this, couldn't I? Anyway, I wouldn't recommend using this. It's had no issue, really. It's just my Kaggle project. As you can tell from my voice, I'm really, really disappointed. But yeah, I've got to go off to the temple. So thank you anyway. The learning was amazing. I don't know. This seriously took away a ton. So yeah, there it is. There's it failing anyway. But that's a good thing. Failing is a benefit, not a bug. Because the benefit is you don't spend 200 grand on some tires. So there you go. Thank you. See you on the next one, I hope. All right, so just to see if it did work, this is the online version here. I couldn't end on a fail, could we? We just gone full screen, that's all. This is running in AI Studio. But so yeah, let's go to the booking. Let's start the logistics. It should go through all this. Say it's not designed for best UX in mind. Continue to check out. Can we pay? Hold and press. Authorize. Oh, and it's paid. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. It's done.